Hello, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican recording artist Chuck Fender is the first reggae artist to perform at the largest cannabis event in North America. The Boston Freedom Rally Cannabis Annual Festival recently celebrated its 33rd year. The event hosted almost 100,000 patrons, the biggest crowd the organizers have ever seen. Chuck Fender kept the crowd on their feet with some of his greatest hits such as Coming Over Tonight, Gash Them, and a few more. Chuck Fender will be dropping his new album Eternal Fire later this month. Jamaican artists Coffee and Shensia have been included on the FIFA 23 soundtrack. Last evening, EA Sports unveiled the list of over 100 songs that will be included on the soundtrack. Coffee's Pull Up and Shensia's Run Run are featured. FIFA 23 will launch worldwide on September 30.
I might have just heard the greatest voice of her generation.
That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.